Hi folks, here's a quick guide on downloading Foglight for databases. So first of all, go to the website quest.com. In the top right, you'll have an option to create a Quest account, or if you already have a Quest account, click sign in and enter your Quest credentials. Once you've completed this step, click free trials. In the search box, type Foglight and click search. This will give you a list of the Foglight products that are available for trial. You can choose the database platform that's of interest to you, or if you're looking to monitor more than one database platform, I'd recommend choosing Foglight for cross-platform databases. To proceed, accept the license agreement and click Download Free Trial. The Foglight Management Server and Repository databases need to be installed on physical or virtual servers. These servers can be Linux or Windows servers. So choose the installer that's applicable to you and click Download. Save the installer and copy it to the relevant server. Now you are ready to install Foglight for databases. For more information on Foglight for databases, go to quest.com/Foglight for databases and check out the video section for videos on the prerequisites and how to install Foglight for databases. Thanks for tuning in.